everyone, Jennifer Hama, licensed professional counselor, certified professional counselor supervisor, here for your second video, your second day of Healthy Thinking Challenge. And the word that we're going to be talking about today is the word but. So the word but has a unique quality to it, and you can either use this to your advantage or disadvantage. So for example, if we take this sentence, this video is going really well, but ... Whatever I say before the word but will be completely erased. So it doesn't matter what we put in before this word. This entire sentence will go away and we will focus on whatever occurs here. So how to use this to your advantage? We can say, during a difficult situation, I feel really, really horrible, but this won't last forever. It changes the dynamic. If I say, this video is going really, really awful, but it's going to get better in day 3 and 4, you're going to hang around for day 3 and 4. You want to know what's about to go down, because but erased all of this. So we want to use the word but to our advantage, okay? Remember, we can use it to erase everything that happened. So if I say this is going really, really well, but it will negate the positive compliment. But if we're having a difficult time, see what I did there? If we're having a difficult time, it can really help us focus on the latter half of the sentence. So join me in day 3 of our Healthy Thinking Challenge.